QEMU Review. QEMU offers advanced virtualization features, however, it is recommended only for experienced and technical users. QEMU is an emulator which enables one computer system to emulate the behavior of another system. It allows software programs built for a guest system to be used on the host system. For example, a compiler designed for an ARM processor can be used on an Intel x86 CPU. QEMU can be used for system emulation, which allows for the virtualization of a machine CPU to run a guest operating system. This can either be full CPU emulation or facilitated through a hypervisor to enable the guest OS to run on the host CPU. QEMU can be used in user mode emulation, allowing processes compiled for one CPU to be executed on another. QEMU is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS operating systems and is available on older versions of Windows, such as Windows 8, although more recent versions are recommended. QEMU can be used to create and control virtual machines which imitate a physical computer. These virtual machines can be helpful for various reasons, such as testing a new operating system or running software that is not compatible with the current OS version but will work with an older one. When using QEMU as a virtualizer, it allows the code of a guest operating system to be executed on the host system, providing efficient results. QEMU offers various features in addition to virtualization, such as a disk image is a file that captures the contents and operation of a hard disk or another storage device, such as a tape, optical disc, or USB. It is commonly employed for creating virtual hard drives, making backups of physical disks, or establishing boot disks. QEMU offers a tool for creating disk images of your hard drives, allowing for modification or conversion into other disk images formats such as RAW, VMDK, VDI, VHD, VHDX, CAL, and NBD is a remote storage technique used on Linux systems. It enables clients to access data on another computer remotely. QEMU enables the creation of a network block device server on a host system. This allows for remote storage to be used as though it was part of the host computer. Although accessing files from this device will typically take longer than from a local hard drive. SystemTap is a useful tool that allows Linux users to closely track activities on their system. It can be used by system administrators and developers to detect issues and performance problems. QEMU enables the use of the SystemTap trace tool on Linux virtual machines. A snapshot captures the state of a computer system during a specific point in time. It differs from a backup as snapshots are typically stored in the same location as the original data, while backups can be kept in other locations. QEMU provides the capability to take snapshots and full backups of virtual machines, which can then be restored to the same or another host system. QEMU lacks user-friendliness when compared to other software. The average will find it difficult to use, as the default is a command line that most are not familiar with. To execute different functionalities, users must have mastery over a range of codes, which can be daunting. An external graphical user interface can make this much easier. QEMU does not provide dedicated support, which is to be expected as it is a free tool. The official website provides extensive documentation and user guides to assist users with any challenges they may face or help them understand how to operate the software. QEMU is a powerful virtualization tool, with a complex user interface that limits its accessibility for those unfamiliar with the technical aspects. More suited for experienced users than casual computer users. Similar tools such as VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player may be better alternatives.